Zed, it's Allison here at Sherwood Park Toyota. Thank you for your interest in the brand new, completely redesigned 2014 Toyota Highlander. So, I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the LE model here. So as you can see on the outside, we've installed body side moldings. That's for the protection against door dings. And take a look into the back. What has changed here is it's now a full bench seat. So a lot more comfortable seating for the passengers. As well as in the back here, we can do the nice 60-40 split for the rear seats. And we can have a total of 8 passengers seating comfortably in this vehicle. And there's all your rear climate control as well. And taking a look up onto the dash, we have our nice standard 6.1-inch touch display audio system. So your Bluetooth controls are going to pop up there, as well as your audio options. There's all your temperature controls for the front. And we have increased storage space in the center right there. Great spot for your phone, for pens, for a change. And that right there will remove. You can slide a cord right down there, charge your phone, or plug it into the USB and auxiliary port for better audio streaming. You've got your traction control, your snow button, downhill assist control, all-wheel drive lock. And looking onto the steering wheel here, there's your audio adjustments, your voice command, your Bluetooth adjustments, your scrolling options, and this display button is going to change what you see right there in front of you. We've got some more overhead storage and many other great features. So to come take a closer look, you can contact me here at 780-410-2455.